Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to change your profile picture on Discord. So it's pretty simple, so let's get on with it. But before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe and notification turned on to our channel because we post content like this. So to get notified for a future video, be sure to subscribe and notification on. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So to change your profile picture on Discord, click on this icon at the bottom. By clicking on this icon, it's going to take you to your profile. Now you can click on my accounts. Now on my account, you can click on this icon over here, which is right on top of your profile picture. You can click on this and click on whichever app you want to use to select your photos. So I'm going to use Photos app. So I click on Photos. So it's going to take me to my photos. Now from here, I can choose whichever photo I want to put it as my profile picture. So let's say I want to use this. I can click on the photo and click on Upload. And boom, now my profile picture on Discord has changed. So that's basically how you change your profile picture on Discord. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe and notification turned on to our channel. And comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'll be signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.